To add transition to your Canva video, let's select a video document and we want to choose our video size. The Canva video editor is open and I'm going to go to elements here and I'm going to come over to videos. I want to find footage as a placeholder to use. I'm going to select this footage and I'm going to select another footage. And I'm also going to select a third footage. To add transition to this Canva video, what I'm going to do first is to come to my zoom page here and tap on it so that the zoom thumbnail is selected, this small one here. And I will zoom in a bit and I will come in between two pages. I will over my mouse, you see add media or add blank, and you see another one that says add transition. I'm going to click on add transition. This can work in between any two clips, by the way. And the transition panels opens up. You want to choose what type of transition you're going for from here. You can hover in between every transition to see what is happening with each transition. So you can just hover and see how all of them are playing out. So if I choose to use the stack transition, I will come down and I can choose the duration of my transition. You can see that reflected here. You want to also choose the direction where you want your transition to go. If I want it to come up from the bottom, I'm going to choose it. Once I have the settings, I'll click to apply transition between all scenes. That is if I want the same transition to be between all the scenes. And I will click on apply all scenes. And if we come here and zoom back out from our thumbnail, from the timeline here, you will see that the same transition is what is here. At any point you want to change the transition, you can always click on the transition and this pane opens up and you can choose a different transition or remove the transition entirely by clicking on none.